Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me, for you of course. Today, let me introduce you this fascinating stuff here, the Tical 24/7 recording AOV 4G surveillance camera system for outdoor with SIM card. It's a 2K LTE camera system with a 12,000 mAh battery capacity and 7.5 watt solar panel, 30-meter personal detection and auto tracking. This is a 360 degrees PTC with color night vision and two-way audio option. And it's IP66, so you can use it outdoor without a prop. This outdoor camera with SIM card has an always-on video function, an AOV, and those records are around the clock, if you like it. In the absence of movement, it records only with 3 frames per second. As soon as an event is detected and an alarm is triggered, recording immediately starts at the 25 frames per second. Don't miss a moment with that? Yes. The camera itself also consumes very little power and is equipped with a powerful 12,000 mAh battery. And on top it comes with a 7.5 watt solar panel. So we don't have to worry about a dead battery doing the all-day recording and can continuously monitor our environment, even in areas without a power connection. Because the sun is shining, of course, wherever you go, isn't it? This outdoor 4G surveillance camera has a built-in SIM card, and it can be used wherever there is a 4G LTE network coverage. That's either for outdoor area without mains connection or WLAN, Wi-Fi, such as farms, construction sites, warehouses, campsites, home gardens, etc. For a better experience, of course, the brand is recommended that the SIM card which is built in should you use. This comes with equipped with a 7-day free trial with an unlimited data volume. After that 7 days, the subscription is required, of course. Unlimited data volume, and it is ready to use immediately. This model here is no Wi-Fi enabled model, okay? So you can buy yourself a nano SIM card and sign a contract, and then you can, of course, install that with a data contract, no prop for it, and it will be works, as you can see on my video here. And this wireless AOV audio camera is equipped with an advanced AI recognition and a tracking technology that detects human forms and tracks the movement up to 30 meters away, avoiding fault alerts and missed detections. Conventional PIR cameras have a range of only 10 meters. The surveillance camera with a SIM card is ideal for monitoring large driveways, gardens, or open areas. Once a human is movement detected within a custom area, the target is continuously monitored and recorded and stored in real time. And of course, the security camera for outside with a nano SIM card has a 2K resolution and a 355 degrees panorama image and a 90 degrees tilt and a 4x zoom function. And it offers an ultra-high resolution in a 360 degrees panoramic view that captures a precision detail and allows an all-around monitoring. Because this surveillance camera is IP66 waterproof. That means that it's resistant even in extreme weather conditions and therefore ideal for outdoor use, of course. And this security camera comes with a built-in microphone and speaker, so we can communicate remotely via the app's two-way audio function and easily interact with visitors and, of course, intruders. It has 3 night vision modes: intelligent mode, white with light, full color means, or with the infrared black and white mode, which allows detailed monitoring and clear images even in complete dark environments. And this 4G camera can be displayed and controlled remotely via the app. The videos can also be stored on a supply 32GB memory card. It's possible up to 256, or stored securely in the cloud with a 30-day trial version. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!